what up?
Hey guys, my cousin Ryan. You guys are only seeing the result. I'm actually teaching him manual right now in the Civic. And right now, he's actually balancing the car on a hill start. So this is the hill. And he's balancing gear 1.
I smell the clutch.
Yeah. So I'm just letting him roll back and then he's gonna catch the car. I know it's a little bit loud, but he's not gonna lose it. I think you're ready for the real world right now. You're ready to drive out.
This is the hard stuff. Ah, that's thread.
It's alright. So with manual, right, I always watch the street lights. Oh, there's yellow. Let's go. Let's go. Get ready. Get ready. Yeah, go. Yeah, see?
Alright, here we go.
See, with automatic car, you just like relax and then you go when it's green, but when it's yellow, you balance. All this for a wedding.
You gonna do what you gonna do, boys?
How many days to the wedding from today? Today is Saturday.
6 days.
Yeah, 6 days. So today is Saturday and the wedding's on Friday. This is our first lesson. So you have learnt manual in Indonesia?
I have, but that was probably 10 years ago. Maybe 15.
Not bad, you still got it.
To all those that drive manual, I appreciate you.
Oh, thanks, bro.
I don't like driving, bro. It's too hard. Look at the traffic.
Alright, red light, you're gonna go.
Someone's tailgating me, man. What do I do?
How's it going? You got it, huh?
Easy. What is this?
So the main reason why he is learning manual right now is because they have hired a 1960 Porsche Speedster, and that is a left-hand drive. So in Australia we're on the right hand, so his left hand is the main work for the gears, but if you're a left hand, obviously left hand side, obviously your right hand's gonna be touching the gear. That's the only hard part next.
That'll be another hurdle.
But it will be down in Hunter Valley, so if you can drive in this sort of traffic, then I think you should be fine, man. I mean,
Fingers crossed.
you drove all the way to Super Cheap, and then now you're still driving, so yeah.
Man.
So the next time you're gonna see this guy, he's gonna be all suited up. I'm gonna be all suited up, and he'll be getting married.
Yeah, we'll be handsome.
All right. So that's KIP stays. That's where Tofu is, my cousin's dog, and Pretzel's gonna stay. That's pretty cool.
It's like she gave us a tour around the whole site where they keep like dogs, like for staycation. It's pretty cool. It's got a room, like a full-on room with a yard and open space, separated spaces, swimming pool.
Tofu is my cousin's dog, and the main reason why I want to vlog this wedding is because my role is not to drive the Porsche, unfortunately, but I will be walking Tofu down the aisle with the ring. So yeah, Linda's gonna record that.
Yeah, that'll be exciting.
And Pretzel will be staying over here with Tofu, next door neighbors. And yeah, so if you're ever coming out to Hunter Valley, KIP Happy Stays, that's where I'll book your dog.
Keep happy stays.
Yeah. Alright, we're looking fresh and ready to go for the wedding. Right now I am just on my way to pick up the dog. It is 2:50 and the ceremony starts at 3 o'clock. So this is taking me 22 minutes from the wedding venue to pick up the dog, dress it up and come back. Hopefully we'll make it down to the ceremony on time. Yeah.
Yeah, very stressful. It's like go. Okay.
Well, at least you're looking good.
What do you have right here, sir?
We've got tofu cloves.
Hi! Woo! Bye, Sophie.
Oh, look who we have. I think I owe you guys an update about the Chaser. I have not touched this since November. Just been very unmotivated. So, just gonna warn you, this does not sound like a 1JZ. It also sounds like arse, like serious arse. So what happened is the bolts came out of the turbo manifold. It just shoot out 2 at raw racing. That's what happened, and that's why it sounds like us.
What do you think?
What do you think, mechanic? Hey guys, it is the next day, and I just want to re-show you guys the manifold because I don't think you guys can see it last night. So I don't know if you can see, but there's one bolt out of its place over there, and
yeet.
If you can imagine on the left side of it too, it's out, and that's why the car sounds like arse. And the radiator is being replaced as well. You can see this leak coming from the teeth as well. You can see the pink stuff there, and my engine, you can see that it's kind of tilting to the driver's side. But if you're looking at the cameras to the left side. Got myself a new Coirad radiator. I got the radiator cap as well, because I think the old one is not even Coirad. And there we go, look how shiny that is. And here we have the hard race engine mount. I currently have a hard race engine mount on the car at the moment. I believe it lasted 5 years, but I want to give it another shot. I heard some mixed reviews about hard race. If you're in a Honda game, hard race is like gold. If you're in the JZX game, hard race is a piece of shit. So Peyton will take it today, and I'll be picking this up on Wednesday. I did not have the time or space to actually do all this and check the hard side myself. Been trying to organize with my boys, but you know, my time, their time, they have to borrow space. It's kind of complicated. So this job is big, so I might as well get Peyton to do it, and he will do it in a matter of time, where I did not touch it since November. And yeah, keen to get this car back on the road. Sounds like us, guys. Yo, check this 1JZ Super out, Ivan. That's crazy. Huh?
Downgrade.
Hey yo. It's insane. I've never seen a 1J in a Supra. I love the Speedster. Every chaser guy in New South Wales is spewing. Probably because it's in the Supra, not a JZX.
Yeah, drove in.
Yeah.
Now it's pushed.
It's leaking so bad he doesn't want to start the car. That's how.
Yeah, it's embarrassing. It'll gas me.
Yeah, spiderweb. Oh, so many spiderweb. Hey, just warning you, if you do find spiders, just kill it, yeah?
Hey, spiders?
I've killed so many spiders before coming here.
Not again. I've been bitten before.
There's like spiderwebs all over the exhaust. Everywhere.
Thanks, Uncle. No worries.
Yep.
Yeah.
You guys remember Uncle
I eat
Payton?
that shit anyway.
Alright, today's the day I'm gonna pick up my car. I can see it right there. Yeah. Can't wait to drive her.
I changed that hose for you.
Okay. Is it braided as well, the replacement, or no?
No. Oh, proper, yeah. These, don't use these because they don't last long. See these rubbers?
Yeah.
They don't last very long. See, they go hard, so hard they go. See? Which
okay.
don't get pricked by that. Yeah. So I got a proper water hose in it. They'll last you 10 years.
Okay.
Yeah, the other hose is outside. It's easy to fix. It's still okay, so I didn't change it. That's the other hose. I cut it to open it. It's remember that in the picture? That was that. Yeah, that's that. And there's the mount. It's broken. Yeah, it's two pieces there.
Whew. It was like that?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah, that's why the engine's like this.
Yeah.
It's leaning over.
Is this
That's the gasket. That's the T3 gasket.
double layer?
Yeah, that's a double layer.
That's a double layer?
The one you got in there is triple layer.
Triple layer.
I put a triple layer in there.
Nice. Thank you.
Yeah, so you can take. What a small camera? Is that a camera?
Yeah, it's a camera.
Wow.
Yeah. I got two cameras. Got the car back. Oh man, just hearing that 1J again. I forgot how it sounds like. It's been a long 4 months, guys. It's been a long 4 months just to get this car back on the road. Just because I've been lagging it so hard. Just... me dead. It sounds so good. Bro, this car. Man, I miss this car.